Good morning, all of you. Hi, students. Myself, Neeraj sir. As a math teacher, I welcome you all in this tutorial. Dear student, today we are going to start our yearly syllabus of class 7 maths, chapter 2 fractions. This is part 3rd video, and today's topic is exercise 2.2 remaining part and exercise 2.3 some questions. Yes, student, exercise 2.2, question 4. Find the reciprocal of 1 by 13. So we write here reciprocal of 1 by 13 equal to 1 by 13 raised to the power minus 1. It means reciprocal of minus 1 by 13. So this 13, it becomes 13 by 1. Reciprocal 1 by 13, it becomes 13 by 1. And that is 13. This is the final answer. See one more question, E part. 4 multiply 11 by 12. So look here, we simplify it. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So actual number is 11 by 3. Now reciprocal of this number 4 multiply 11 by 12, it becomes this number 11 by 3 raised to the power minus 1. So it becomes 3 upon 11. Final answer. See last question 15. We have to find out reciprocal of 15. So reciprocal of 15 equal to 15 raised to the power minus 1. That is 1 by 15. This is the final answer. So you have to solve remaining part just like that. Okay. Students, next question, question number 5. Solve the following. 2 of 1 by 6. Of means multiply. So 2 of 1 by 6 means 2 multiply 1 by 6. So look here. Numerator is 2, denominator 6. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. So numerator becomes 1 multiply 1. 1 and denominator is 3. So final answer is 1 by 3. This is the final answer. See one more question. C part. 2 whole 4 by 5 of 3 whole 5 by 6. So solution, we write question here. 2 whole 4 by 5 of 3 whole 5 by 6. First we change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it becomes 5 2 ja 10 plus 4, 14 by 5. Of means multiply. Next 3 whole 5 by 6 becomes 6 3 ja 18 plus 5, 23 upon 6. Now we cut this by the table of 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 3 ja 6. So at numerator place 7 and 23. 7 multiply 23 and denominator place 5 and 3. So 5 multiply 3. When we multiply 7 into 23, it becomes 161 and 5 multiply 3 becomes 15. Again this is improper fraction, we have to change this fraction into mixed fraction. So it becomes 10 whole 11 by 15 and this is the final answer. For class practice you have to solve remaining part just like that. Next question, question number 6. Find the area of rectangle whose sides are 5 whole 7 by 8 meter and 6 whole 8 by 9 meter. Okay, we have given here length, breadth, and we have to find area of rectangle. So student, look here. Here length is the longest side. So 5 whole 7 by 8, 6 whole 8 by 9. Which is bigger? This number is bigger. So length equal to 6 whole 8 by 9 meter, that is 9 6 ja 54 plus 8, 62 by 9. Now breadth equal to 5 whole 7 by 8, that is 8 5 ja 40 plus 7, 47 by 8. We change here mixed fraction into improper fraction, both length and breadth. Now we have to find out area of rectangle. So student, area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. So we mention here in place of length, this is 62 by 9 multiply B in place of breadth 47 by 8. Now we have to cut this 60 area of rectangle, length into breadth, 62 by 9 length and 47 by 8 breadth. We cut 62 and 8 by the table 2. 2 3 are 6, 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8. Now at the place of numerator it is 31 and 47. So 31 multiply 47. In place of denominator 9 4. 9 multiply 4. When we multiply 31 and 47, it becomes 1457. And this is 9 4 are 36. Now this is improper fraction. We have to change it into mixed fraction. So it becomes 40 whole 17 by 36 meter square, and this is the final answer. Student, question number 8. Rahul walks 5 whole 3 by 4 kilometer in a day. Rahul walks the same distance every day. How far Rahul walk in a week? So student, we have given here 1 day distance. So in 1 day, distance covered by Rahul is 5 whole 3 by 4 kilometer. So in 7 days, distance covered by Rahul equal to 5 whole 3 by 4 multiply 7 kilometer. So we change here mixed fraction into improper fraction. It becomes 4 5 ja 20 plus 3 23 by 4 multiply 7. When we multiply numerator part 23 multiply 7, it becomes 161. And denominator is 4, 161 by 4. This is improper fraction. We have to change this into mixed fraction. So it becomes 40 whole 1 by 4 kilometer, and this is the final answer. 1 week means 7 days. Next question, if one person can build 5 by 6 of a wall in a day, how many walls will be built by the person in 30 days? We have given here 1 day work. So in 1 day a person can build 5 by 6 of a wall. So in 30 days he can build 5 by 6 multiply 30. So look here, we cut here 6 1 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. Now at numerator place 5 5. 5 5 ja 25. And denominator place is 1. 25 by 1, that is 25. So final answer, he can build 25 walls in 30 days. Student, question 11 B part. Find 4 by 5 of an hour in a minute. So we write here 4 by 5 of an hour. An hour means 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 4 by 5 into 60. So we cut here 5 1 ja 5, 5 12 ja 60. So when we multiply 4 into 12, it becomes 48 by 1, that is 48 minutes. So final answer 48 minutes. For class practice, you have to solve A part. A part is 3 by 4 of a day in R. So you have to solve this. Yes, question 13. A car runs 15 km per liter of petrol. How much distance the car will run on 10 whole 3 by 5 liter of petrol? So we have information that on 1 liter of petrol a car runs 15 kilometers. So on 10 whole 3 by 5 liter of petrol, a car runs 15 multiply 10 whole 3 by 5. So this is mixed fraction. We have to change this in improper fraction. So it becomes 15 multiply 10 5 ja 50 plus 3, 53 by 5. When we cut this 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. So in numerator place 3 multiply 53. It becomes 159, and at denominator place it is 1. So 159 by 1 kilometer means 159 kilometer, and this is the final answer. Student, exercise 2.3. First question. Solve the following. Yes, student. New exercise 2.3. First question. Solve the following. A part. 3 upon 8 divide 15 upon 24. So student, look here. 3 upon 8. When we convert this divide into multiply, this 15 by 24 becomes 24 by 15. Reciprocal. Whenever you change this divide into multiply, you have to write their reciprocal. 15 by 24 means 24 by 15. Now we have to cut this number. 8 1 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. So at numerator place 1 3, 1 multiply 3, denominator place 1 5, 1 multiply 5. When we multiply 1 into 3, it becomes 3. Denominator 1 multiply 5, it becomes 5. So 3 by 5 is the final answer. Next C part. 7 by 11 divided by 14 by 22. So it becomes 7 by 11 multiply 22 by 14. Why? We change here divide into multiply. That's why it becomes earlier it's 14 by 22. It becomes 22 by 14. Now 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, and 2 2 cut. So 1 by 1 becomes 1. So 1 is the final answer. See one more question. E part. 5 whole 1 by 2 divide 10. So we write here 10 by 1. Now 5 whole 1 by 2. This is mixed fraction. First we have to change this into improper fraction. So 2 5 are 10 plus 1. 11 by 2 divide 10 by 1. So 11 by 2 multiply 1 by 10. So 11 1 ja 11 and 2 10 ja 20. This is the final answer. See one more question. G part. 11 divide by 2 whole 1 by 5. So we write here 11 divide 2 whole 1 by 5 is 11 by 5. Now 11, when we change this divide into multiply, 11 by 5 becomes 5 by 11. Cut 11 11, final answer 5. Last part. I part. 15 divide 6 whole 3 by 7. So we write here 15 divide, and this is mixed fraction. So we change it into improper fraction. 7 6 ja 42 plus 3, 45 by 7. So it becomes 15 multiply 7 by 45. 15 3 ja 45. 7 by 3. This is improper fraction. We change it into mixed fraction. So it becomes 2 whole 1 by 3. In this way you have to solve remaining part. So students, that's all for today. Have a nice day.